Hello students, welcome back to Infinite Adhyayam. Today in this particular video we shall be solving few more questions relating to the perimeter and area of certain given figures such that we don't face any problem in the future classes, that is class 7, 8, okay, and we'll understand the concept very deeply. So now let's start solving the questions and we'll try to understand it properly and clearly, okay. And if you face any problem and if you don't understand any topic or any concepts, you can ask me and we'll discuss it in the next class. Clear? Okay. So now let's start solving the questions. Okay, so here is our first question of today's class. Here the question is, by splitting the following figure, that is, we have to split means what? We have to segment, okay, or we have to cut it into pieces. By splitting this figure, we have to find the area of rectangles. Because look, if we split this figure, okay, in through its corners, we can form three rectangles, right? For example, look here. If we cut one with here, it will form one rectangle, and if we cut it again here, this will be another rectangle and this will be another rectangle. So all total how many rectangles will get? We will get three rectangles, okay. Now look, we have to find its area, okay. Now for finding area of rectangle, we have to know what is length and what is breadth of that rectangle. Clear? Now look, we have all the informations from this figure, okay. For this rectangle, okay, for rectangle, suppose for let us give name as A, B, C, D. Clear? Okay. Then E, F, G, H. Okay. Then I, J, K, L. Okay. Now there are how many rectangles? Three rectangles. One is A, B, C, D. Another is E, F, G, H. Another is I, J, K, L. Okay. Now for rectangle A, B, C, D. Okay. What did I told you? That for finding area of any rectangle, we have to know what is length and what is breadth. Okay. Now in the rectangle A, B, C, D, we have length and breadth also. Look, this is our breadth and this is length, isn't it? Length is here 13 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. In rectangle EFGH, we also have breadth. This is if this is 2 centimeter, okay, that is distance between EF and GH is 2 centimeter, then EH will also be 2 centimeter. Clear? Okay, because both of them are in right angle triangle, okay. What I told you, that is here it is given the distance between EF and GH. This is what? 2 centimeter. Clear? Okay. So if this is 2 centimeter, the length of EH will also be 2 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Then here we also have its length, that is length of HG 5 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now in rectangle IJKL, here also we have length 13 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter. So we can, if we find the area of all the three rectangles and then if we sum up their areas, it will be the resulting area of the given figure. Okay. So now we will try to find out the area of the all the three rectangles and then we will sum up and then find the area of the given figure. Okay. So let's start. So first case, right? We'll write here first case. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle A, B, C, D. Area of rectangle A, B, C, D equals what? Area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Isn't it? Yes. Then unit centimeter, unit square. Okay. So here length is how much? 13 and breadth is what? 3. Yes. Then unit is what? Centimeter, then square. Now 13 into 3 is how much? 9. 39, isn't it? 39 centimeter square. Clear? Okay. So we let us write it here. Its area is 39 centimeter square. Clear? Okay. Now second case. Second, what is the name of the second rectangle? Huh? It is EFGH, isn't it? Okay. So we'll write area of rectangle EFGH. Area of rectangle EFGH. Area of rectangle EFGH is also same length into breadth, but here length is how much? 5 and breadth is what? 2. Okay, unit is centimeter, same. Now 5 into 2 is how much? 10 centimeter square. Clear? Okay. So now we will also here write it. Its area is, okay, let's write area equals, then area equals what? 10 centimeter square. I hope you are getting right. Okay, we have to here, we have to, that is split the figures, okay, into rectangles. Then another third one is what? Third name of the third rectangle is IJKL, isn't it? Okay, IJKL. Third case. Then area of rectangle IJKL. Then its length is what? Length 13 into 3, isn't it? And 13 into 3 is how much? 13 into 3 it's 39 centimeter square. So same, because both of their areas are same. Because why? Because its length are same, breadth is also same, then definitely its area will be same, isn't it? So here its area is also area equals 39 centimeter square. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the area of the figure. Okay. Now if we add all this area, the resulting area will be the area of that given figure. So now we will write now area of the figure. Area of the figure equals, area of the figure is what? Area of rectangle ABCD plus area of rectangle EFGH plus area of rectangle IJKL. Clear? Okay. So here area of rectangle ABCD is how much? 39. Then area of rectangle EFGH is how much? 10. Then area of rectangle IJKL is how much? 39. And we will take centimeter square common from all these three, okay, areas. Okay. Now 39 plus 39 is how much? Huh? Look, 9 plus 9 is how much? 9 plus 9, it is 18. And we can do 18, right? 18 plus 0 is 8, okay? 1. 3 plus 3 is how much? 3 plus 3, 6, 7, then remainder 1, 8. 88 centimeter square. Clear? Okay. Suppose 39 is how much? 39 plus 39, it is 78, isn't it? Okay, let's check. Right? 39, 10, 39. 9 plus 9, 18. 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. 88, okay? 88 centimeter square. So this is how we can find the area of any given figures, okay? Just we have to know the process. That is, if we could split the figures into, look, we can't know, we don't know the area of this given figure, right? But by splitting, we have find out various common shapes, okay? Here the shapes are what? Rectangles, isn't it? Now we know area of the given, that is, we know the area of rectangles, right? Okay, so if we find out the area of the rectangles, we can find out the area of the figure. Okay, so the main thing is what? We have to, if there is any clumsy figure or irregular figure, we have to split the figure. Okay, we have to split the given figure into some known shapes, either rectangle or square or parallelogram. That is okay, any polygon whose area we know. Okay, and then if we find out the area of that polygon, then it will be the area of the given figure. Clear? I hope this is clear to you how to find area of any given figure. Okay, so now let's move to our next question, that is question number 10. Okay, so our next question is about a room. Okay, here the length of the room is 10 meter, breadth is 6 meter, and we want to floor the that is we want to carpet the floor of that room. Okay, so now here the carpeting the floor will certainly cost some rupees, right? So here the cost is rupees 42 per meter. That means what, if we want to carpet, okay, if we want to carpet 1 meter, it will cost rupees 42. Now we have to find the total cost of carpeting the room. Clear? Okay, so for finding total cost of carpeting the floor, we have to know what is the area of the floor, isn't it? If we know area of the floor, then we can easily find out the its total cost. Okay, because here cost of 1 meter is given. For example, area of the floor is 10 meters. For example, cost of area of the room is 10 meter. Okay, now cost of 1 meter is given 42. So what will be the cost of 10 meter? We will just multiply 42 with 10, isn't it? It will be 420. Clear? Okay, so now let's first of all find out the area of the room, that is area of the floor, and then we will find out the cost. Okay, so here we will have to write solution, then given length of room equals 10 meter, then breadth of room equals 6 meter. Clear? Okay, now we have to find out area of the room. Okay, so area of floor of the room is what? Length into breadth, and it is 10 into 6, okay, meter square. So it will be 60 meter square. Clear? So the area of the floor is what? Area of the floor is 60 meter square. Clear? Okay, here it will be per meter square. Okay, so now we have to find out the total cost. Okay, so what will be the total cost? So we write, therefore total cost of carpeting equals rupees what? 42 into 60. Clear? Okay, so it will be 42 into 6 is how much? 42, 6 to the 12, 1, 6 to the 24, 25. So it will be 2520. Okay, so this is you must need 2520 rupees for carpeting the room of length 10 meter, breadth 6 meter. Okay, and the cost of carpeting 1 meter square must be 42. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, this is very easy question. Just find area of the room and then multiply its amount. Okay, that is multiply the cost of 1 meter with the area of that particular room. You can easily find out. Okay, so now let's move to our next question, that is question number 11. So our next question of today's class is about same thing, about same question about the previous. Okay, so here the question is, in the previous questions we carpeted the floor. Okay, now we will tiles. Okay, we will tiles the floor. Okay, so here the measurement of the room is also different one. Here the length of the room is 7.5 meter, breadth is 6 meter. Okay, now in that room we want to tile, that is the tiles which will fix in the floor, it is of square. Okay, the shape of the tile is square and its side is how much? 30 centimeter. Clear? Okay, and cost of one tile is how much? 6. Okay, so now we have to find the total cost. So look, how can we find out? So first thing we have to write the information is given in the questions, right? Given length of room, isn't it? Length of room equals 7.5 meter. Then breadth of room equals what? 6 meter. Clear? Okay, now we have to find out area of the, that is floor, isn't it? area of floor of the room equals 7.5 into 6. No need to write this length into breadth, meter square. Clear? Okay. Now 5 into 6 is how much? 33. 6 into 7, 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. So it will be, the area of the floor is 45 meters square. Clear? Okay. Now what I told you earlier, that we want to that tiles which will fix in the floor is of square shape. Okay, and the its side is how much? 30 centimeter. Clear? Okay. But look one thing here, it is how much? Meter square. Okay. Here its shape size is what? Meter. Okay. So we have to convert this 45 meter square to its centimeter square. Clear? Okay. So if we convert 1 meter square is how much? 1 meter square, huh? Look, 1 centimeter or 1 meter equals how much? 100 centimeter. Clear? Okay. So 1 meter square will be how much? 10,000 centimeter square, isn't it? Okay. So we have to multiply this with this 10,000. So it will be 4500 centimeter square. Clear? In bracket you can write like this. Since 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, therefore 1 meter square equals 10,000 centimeter square. Clear? Okay. So now if we find out area of tile, look. So now area of one tile. Okay, area of one tile. We have to find out how many tiles are there. Okay, we have to find out how many tiles we need, isn't it? So how can we find how many tiles we need? If we know the area of the floor. Okay, if we know the area of the floor and if we know area of one tile. Okay, and then if we divide area of floor by area of tile, we can easily find out how many tiles we need. Clear? Okay. For example, look. For example, this is our floor. Okay, this board is our floor. Okay. Now, if and consider this is and consider our this book is one tile. Okay. Okay, its side is how much? 30 centimeter, and its total area is how much? 45,000. Okay, 45,000 centimeter square. Now if I find area of this tile, and then if we divide, okay, we can easily find out how many tiles we required, right? Okay, so I will do that same thing here also. So area of one tile is what? Area of one tile, but this tile is what? Square tile. Okay, so area of square is what? Side into side. So we write side into side. Clear? Here the side is 30 into 30, then centimeter square. Now 3 into 3 is how much? 900 centimeter square. Clear? Area of one tile is how much? 900 centimeter square. Clear? Okay. Now number of tiles. Okay. Now again number of tiles. Number of tiles required equals what? Area of floor by area of one tile. Clear? Area of floor divided by area of one tile. Here area of the floor is how much? 45,000. So it will be 4, 5, 1 times 100, 1 times 100,000 is a lakh. Okay, sorry, 4,50,000. Area of tile is how much? 900 centimeter square. It is also centimeter square. Centimeter square cancel, isn't it? Then this 0 to 0 cancel. Then 9, 5 is 45. So left is how much? Left is 500 tiles required. Okay, so how many tiles we required? We required 500 tiles. Okay, now we have to find the cost. Okay, what must be our budget? Okay, to buy 500 tiles. Here cost of one tile is given how much? 6, and so we can easily find out cost of 500 tiles. So find out. So we'll write therefore cost of flooring the room. Okay, or we'll write therefore cost of flooring, FLOORING, cost of flooring the room equals rupees 6 into 500. So 6 into 5 is 30, then this double. So how much requires 1 stairs 100,000? Huh? 3,000. Only 3,000 rupees required to floor your room. Okay, and the length of the room must be how much? Length of the room must be 7.5 meter. Breadth is 6 meter. Okay, and the cost of one tile also must be 6. Clear? Okay, but this is too less. You will never find cost one tile with rupees 6. Minimum cost is how much? 20 to 25, isn't it? Okay, so according to question, its cost is 6 meter. So according to questions, our total budget is also 3,000 meter. I hope this is clear how to find out cost of flooring the room. Okay, first thing we have to find out area of the room, then area of the tiles. Okay, we have to know how many tiles we have to require. Okay, we have to buy from the shop. So area of one tile we have to require find out. Okay, then we have area of room, we have area of tiles also. We can easily find out how many tiles we have to buy. Clear? Okay, so here how many tiles we have to buy? 500 tiles, and cost is given 6. So here we can easily find out what will be the total cost of this 500 tiles, isn't it? So here the total cost is 3,000. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so this is for today's class, and the remaining few questions will solve in our next class. So before that, stay safe, stay blessed, and meet in the next class. Bye bye.